Welcome to Cheap Bike Build Off 2025. This year I'm building a dirt cheap department store clunker out of this big pile of parts that I've accumulated for the last few years. The basis of this build is going to be this 80s Montgomery Ward beach cruiser cantilever frame, which was given to me by a customer a few years ago. I'll also be using some parts off of this DK Charger BMX bike that I found in the garbage, and I will be using the Bendix Red Band coaster brake off of this Columbia step-through bike that I found in the garbage last year. For those that don't know, the Cheap Bike Build-Off starts February 1st and ends on February 23rd. The idea is to spend a maximum of $150 US and build the coolest bike you can with those constraints. So I have an idea of what I want to do here. Building a wheel with a coaster brake hub is the first thing that's going to have to happen. I'd like to use the crankset off this DK Charger, but I'm not sure how that's going to work with the chain line. We'll have to wait and see on that. Otherwise, I'll probably try to use the headset and the stem off that, maybe the seat post if that's the same diameter. My plan is very conceptual at this point. We'll see what I can do with the chain line and gearing and determine what I can do from there. I've got a lot of other parts around to choose from, but we'll see where this project goes. I'm calling this the Dirt Cheap Klunker project because I believe that I can get it in under $50 US. That might be a little ambitious, but at this point I think all I'm going to need is spokes and a chain. Anyway, I'm pretty stoked about this project. I'm hoping that you'll follow along with me and with the other builders for the Cheap Bike Build Off 2025. If you want to see how it goes, make sure you subscribe and get the notifications. I also encourage you to follow the hashtag Cheap Bike Build Off 2025 to see what the other builders are doing. Being on Instagram is going to give you a lot of insight into everybody that's doing this stuff because that's primarily where we're all at. Check back and thanks for watching.